Since the pandemic, our idea of normal has been online. From purchases to planning, entertainment to community and working. Talk about a digital transformation. Businesses survive the trouble through digital adaptation. This process accelerated the concept of adaptation digitalization even more than any time before. This also means that many jobs will be lost. Today, more than ever, the workforce needs to reevaluate their skills. This also requires them to prepare for job trends in 2022 and beyond. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Among the top 20 skills in demand in today's workforce, artificial intelligence and machine learning are in high demand, ranking at second position. The We Forum 2020 report estimates that by 2025, 85 million jobs may be replaced by automation, while 97 million new positions may emerge that are more adapted to the new division of labor between humans, machines, and algorithms. Data science. Many people wonder why companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon are so powerful. This is for two reasons. On the one hand, it is the amount of data they possess, and on the other, is it the workforce that can analyze and interpret the data. It is almost impossible to imagine the job market today without data sciences. They are in demand in almost all sectors, such as healthcare, finance, logistics, and e-commerce. A data scientist's job is to collect, evaluate, and process data from your company or department in order to derive instructions for action. With the insights gained, data science offers your company a real added value. With their analytical skills and strong programming knowledge, they are able to solve many different problems of today's business world. Web development. Web development is the reason why there exists content and web applications online. Today, the most valuable companies are in tech. They change our whole economy and influence our society dramatically. The fact that we are becoming more and more reliant on the internet gives no indication that the demand for web developers will decline. Web developers design and develop web-based software solutions, aka web applications. In addition to the planning of web design and web architecture, they also take care of further development, maintenance, and ongoing optimization of existing web applications. A web developer's responsibility is divided into front-end and back-end developments, meaning working on the client or server side. Full-stack developers, on the other hand, are at home on both sides. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity has jumped to the top of the list since last year, primarily due to the pandemic in which our physical world has shrunk considerably, and the digital world remains a playground for cybercriminals who have developed new and devious tactics to obtain sensitive data. As the volume, frequency, and creativity of cybersecurity breaches grow, so does the shortage of cybersecurity professionals with the appropriate skills to defend the enterprise, government, and military networks. This global shortage of cybersecurity professionals has created an in-demand market for professionals to challenge and build career-advancing skill sets in this area. Sales and digital marketing. Sales is an internal skill that is basically a life skill to becoming an influential leader and professional. Sales are the third most in-demand job role globally, according to the 14th Manpower Group Talent Shortage Survey. The beauty of a sales skill is that you can transcend into any industry with the right training and tools. In 2022, however, sales will be increasingly a digital engagement activity. Forrester's research predicts that 70% of marketers will adopt an always-on digital engagement strategy in 2022. Cloud computing. Your company probably uses such a network of remote servers as well. Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud, to name just a few. These services and products are in great demand, not only for customers but also for entire businesses. The three main types of cloud services are software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. Cloud engineers are responsible for all technical tasks, like structuring and designing the user interface. In addition, they take on responsibility for planning, management, and maintenance of the cloud infrastructure. Blockchain programming. Blockchain is the technology that underlies cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Simply put, blockchain is a decentralized system in which information can be stored, and thus it serves as a database. The main advantage of blockchain technology is that the stored information is immutable and very secure. Because of the high degree of privacy, it is a very attractive technology that finds different use cases in industries that deals with sensitive data, healthcare, finance, and government. And since the amount of data is increasing ever more, blockchain offers the solution of missing data privacy and storage. To work in the blockchain universe, your employees should have a deep knowledge of data structures, cryptography as well as smart contracts, and obviously blockchain itself. UX design. The increasing number of new websites and apps results in a rapid demand for user experience designers. Nowadays, companies compete for our attention and design their products so that we spend a lot of time with them, and ideally use them regularly. With the user in focus, UX designers work closely with other disciplines. They design products and digital services that make people's life more convenient and ultimately easier. In addition, these services must convince people from the beginning with reliable and intuitive usage. Copywriting. Copywriting is the skill of using words to sell things, and it's valuable. It's one of those skills that a lot of people think they have, but few actually do. It is hard to write bulletproof prose that perfectly captures your ideal customer, stopping them in their tracks and helping them overcome objections to buy something. And that's why companies pay. Copywriting is about selling, but go read the best wordsmiths in the business and you'll see why they're great. There's none of that. But wait, there is more crap. Just beautiful, crafted words that make you smile and fall in love with a mission or a company. Coding. It's not surprising that coding is still a valuable skill, and it is also something you can learn yourself. Developers are in high demand as we transition to a tech economy, and contrary to a popular belief, you don't have to have a computer science degree to be a developer. Anyone can learn to code.